That act of making food is an act of keeping your heritage, keeping your culture, holding your family stories.
Amham is an organization that we started in 2017 to bring back and strengthen our traditional Ohlone foods so that they're a permanent part of our community's culture. We started this organization because we realized that a lot of these foods, because they were so heavily suppressed during colonization, that a lot of people in our community didn't know about them.
The work that we're doing with food, it touches on all of these other parts of our cultures.
Land stewardship goes with our food, traditional religion and prayer goes with our food, language is embedded within these foods. Cafe Ohlone is the very first Ohlone restaurant in modern times.
What we're doing through this food work in Cafe Ohlone is to create safe spaces where we could celebrate who we are, what we come from, and that rich cultural heritage that we come from.
We're forward-thinking people, but we can only be forward-thinking with our feet firmly planted in the past, and knowing the value of those traditional ways and knowing that those traditional ways will be part of the future as well.
I grew up in the Fillmore district of San Francisco. The food that I cook is a representation of what used to be there, especially with a lot of people migrating from the South. La Cocina is an incubator program for immigrant and minority women, helping to formalize their food businesses. And La Cocina helped with really taking my passion and turning it into a business.
La Cocina was really born out of the women in the Mission District, the informal entrepreneurs that were hustling, selling empanadas after school, feeding tamales to people after church, and building successfully informal incomes, and then writing business plans, and then not seeing those plans launch. The reason talent doesn't get equal opportunity is because of the real barriers of race, of sexism, of language, and that's why we created the things that we do. We provide a commercial kitchen space that's below market rate. We provide assistance on all aspects of running your business, from like marketing and how to reach your customers to what permits to file.
El Pipila started 6 years ago. My mom owns the restaurant and the company, but I help her run the whole management part. The food that we serve, it's from a small town in Guanajuato called Acámbaro. My mom started a program in San Francisco with La Cocina. Our life changed from having nothing to hopefully in a couple of years we get to, buy a little house.
Now I'm in a position where I'm able to create opportunities for others and, able to take care of my children and prepare, my son for college. And so it's been good.
At our heart, I really believe we are fighting for equity on every level. So my hope for the broader impact is that every La Cocina graduate is one step towards a more equitable world.